On était quelques bons copains, il y avait Fernand, il y avait Firmin, il y avait Francis et Sébastien, et puis Paulette.
It's a perfect mixture between Persian history and French food. It's very safe in certain circumstances, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone who's visiting Paris and who even lives in Paris like myself.
Felt safe, taking great care all the time. Super safe ride. The whole thing always felt very secure despite COVID situation. The food was amazing, the historical aspects were amazing. I felt safe, the sanitary components, that was all managed perfectly. It was so enjoyable. Thank you, merci beaucoup.